Hey, my name's James Nicholson, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to build a high converting marketing funnel and transform your business overnight. Now, I'm going to assume something. If you're watching a video like this, am I right in thinking you're a business owner, an entrepreneur, coach, consultant, or someone looking to start a business? Now, if that is you, while you're here, please do me a favor and smash the subscribe button and hit the bell notification. Every single day, I've got new content on marketing, growing, and scaling a business, so you're not going to want to miss out on this content. Now, my name is James Nicholson, and I've been in business now for 17 years. And during that time, I've had all the ups and downs that you get as an entrepreneur. But what I have figured out in that time is something very, very special, which I call my business accelerator methodology. Now, this is a proven system that can help you take cold leads and turn them into red hot buyers that buy from you again and again and again. Now, it's generated millions in sales for my businesses, but not only that, it's generated hundreds of millions of sales for my thousands of mentees that I've worked with over the last few years. So this channel is for you. I want to take you on a journey on helping you grow and scale a business using marketing. So do make sure that you stick around. Now let's talk about marketing funnels and how they work. Well, basically, the reason you have a marketing funnel is most business owners try and get married on a first date, which is really, really creepy. And what I mean by that is maybe they're a gardener or an estate agent or a coach. They advertise online or offline, and all they do is say, buy my products and service. We're the best, establish the longest, best results, all of this kind of stuff. Now, that doesn't work anymore because we're getting bombarded with messages all over the place, right? Every single day, we are seeing literally thousands of adverts. And so that method doesn't work anymore. What we need to do is take people in baby steps. We need to demonstrate that we're an expert. We need to give them value. And so a marketing funnel allows us to do that. And these are the steps that we're going to go through now and talk about how you can set this up and get this working in your business. Now, first and foremost, what you must do is create content. Right? You need some sort of content, whatever it is that you do. If you're an estate agent, maybe you could do a house tour. Maybe you could do a video tutorial on how to sell your house faster or get over the asking price, right? That sort of content is going to be really useful to someone looking to buy, sell, rent, or be a landlord, right? It's really, really going to be useful for those people. And so that content is there to give massive value and to demonstrate you're an expert, right? That's really, really important. Then the prospect can start the process of knowing you, liking you, and trusting you, right? That's really, really important that they must know you, they must like you, and they must trust you, guys. Really, really essential there. Now, when you've done that and you've built some rapport and demonstrated you're an expert, we're then gonna look to capture some leads, right? How do you do that? Well, you're gonna give something away. It could be a guide, a report, a discount voucher. I don't know. You're going to figure it out, but you're going to give away something that has massive, massive value to that person. And if you want some ideas on that, actually in the description of this video, I've got my 30 best lead generation guide, and that's got 30 different ideas. And I'd suggest that you go and check that out in the description and have a look and see which ones would probably work in your industry, right? That would be a good place to start. But that's what we're going to do, right? Because when we've captured their data, at that point, we can keep the conversation going. We can email market to them. We could call them if they've left us a phone number. Or we could just build that relationship and rapport over time. That's really, really important. So capturing leads is essential. And that's the next baby step. You're not asking them to buy until this step is where you turn them into a customer. Now, there's various different ways, and when I get to grips with your business and take you through the business accelerator methodology, we'll help you figure out which way is best for you. But one way that I do it is sell something cheap, right? That activates someone as a customer, because if they buy something from you, some people will buy again and again and again from you, right? This is my book, Expert Mastery, which I actually subsidize the cost. So I give the book away for free and people just pay for the shipping, a couple of pounds as a contribution. Again, if you want a copy of this and see how this works, in the description, you can grab a copy of this right away. So go and do that while you're there. Now, another great way to turn people into a customer is to get people to book an appointment with you, right? And because you've demonstrated you're an expert, you've given them value in your guide or report, they're more willing to do this. And so you can get them to book an appointment where you speak to them on the phone or go and see them, right? That might be the way that we do it. I don't know what's going to work best for your business until we work together and we'll get this figured out for you, right? Then on that call or on that visit, you offer your core product or service once you've done a presentation of the value and how it can help change their life, right? This is a game changer. Imagine what this is going to be like for your business when you actually get this stuff working. It is absolutely like changes businesses overnight when you build these funnels correctly, right? Now look, all these first four, there's clearly one more there. Before we jump onto that last one and go into detail on that, please can you do me a favor? Can you smash the like button on this video, please, guys? Because that helps me with YouTube. And comment below, let me know. Have you built a funnel? Has it worked? Hasn't it worked? Do you need a bit of help? Tell me what your business is. Let me know in the comments. I'd love to get to know you guys on this channel. Now, the last part is to continue to sell to these guys, right? You must have additional products and services that you sell to these prospects. If you don't, they'll just buy from someone else, right? And I'm world class at helping mentor people, business owners, to actually build what we call a product ladder, but actually get it implemented. I recently worked with a homeopathist who has now launched a book, digital course, normal homeopathy products, and has added a retreat as her more expensive stuff. I've worked with all the property coaches that you see all over the place in the UK. I'm actually the guy that's mentored those guys, and a lot of them have books, digital courses, physical courses, and masterminds as well. So we figured that out for those guys. I work with a estate agent that has recently launched a sideline business with an estate agent event and a mentoring package for that, and that's actually nearly making more profits than his actual original business, which is crazy, right? I work with another estate agent who set a digital marketing agency up, advertising other estate agents, and that really leveraged his time and made him more profit as well, right? And so having these additional products that you can continue to sell is essential. Stop looking for new clients all the time. Work with the ones that you've got, give them more value, create additional stuff. Now, not all of them will want it, but enough will, right? That's really important to understand. Now look, you're clearly interested in growing a business, so if you got this far in the video, I've got a quick special offer for you that I'd like to share. Now, I've got something called my Business Growth Club. In there, I've got cheat sheets, checklists, master plans on marketing, growing and scaling a business. Not only that, I've got a Facebook community with over 300 smart switched on entrepreneurs just like you, where you can collaborate and do business and network in there as well. And every week we have a live session as well. So every week we have a live session, and on that session we will teach you all this incredible stuff. We just had Tony Robbins, copywriter, on there, which was crazy. We've had CRM experts. We've got loads of people lined up for the coming months as well. So in the description is a link where you can grab a 30-day trial for £1. There's no contracts, no shenanigans. If you don't want it, you cancel it, but at least find out, right? At least find out if it can help you grow your business. So go and do that now. Become our latest member, and we'll see you in the members area very soon. Bye for now.